Afternoon, folks. Same day, same caftan. It's Easter Monday, and it got me thinking about a friend I have who is Greek, Yasu Filippo, and his dad had this cabbage salad recipe, or he did it all the time. Whenever we went to his house, it was always, this salad was always on the table, and it's great. It is such a fantastic salad to have in your repertoire because it uses cabbage, which is uber cheap and goes a long way, and simple ingredients for the dressing. So the dressing is very simple. Get your little jar out. Here we are with jars again. Did you check out my video this morning with my breakfast martini? I really suggest you do. Okay. But anyway, today we're making the cabbage salad. Apparently with Google, so if people find me on Google, I'm supposed to mention what I'm doing all the time. So here's our Greek cabbage salad, Google. We're going to put in lemon juice, okay, into your jar. Now, juice of 1 lemon, let's just say that. The juice of 1 lemon, okay. Now, in these ISO times where I'm not going to the shop very often at all, I've been once in 1 month, pretty good going, Swano. So I actually just have limes. I'm going to use lime juice. So, you know, I'm substituting, but that's okay. It's supposed to be lemon. So, okay, write that down. Then a very finely chopped clove of garlic. Has to be fresh garlic. There is no substitution in this. Don't use the jar stuff, no way. Okay, so we've got our lemon and our garlic. Now I always find if you're going to add salt to a dressing, just a thing that I do, I don't know if it's a top tip with Greek cabbage salad, but I'm going to put in, it should be, you know, this is, you need a definite quantity of salt. So I'm putting in a good teaspoon. I always find, to finish what I was saying, is that it's handy to actually put the salt into the lemon juice first, give it a swirl, because it'll dissolve faster. I found putting it into the lemon juice first before you add the olive oil. Just a little top trick on Sweno's handy hints. Okay, that's it. And yeah, you find it's gone already. Okay. And then you add your olive oil. So, oh look, it's supposed to be about 1/3 to 2/3 olive oil, 1/3. But I have mentioned this before, I like quite a sharp dressing. I like to taste the vinegar rather than oil. That's just me. I reckon I'm not the only one. What do you reckon? Comment below. That's another thing I'm supposed to do. Comment below. That. So anyway, look, there you go. There's my beautiful Greek salad dressing. Yeah. And you just get your plate of cabbage. That is finely shredded cabbage. Yeah. And look how big it is now. We're going to come back in a sec and we're going to see how much it's shrunk down. And you just tip your delicious, oh, hang on, stop, hold the phone, white pepper. Now, I've said this before, how much I love white pepper. Cabbage and white pepper, it's a marriage. It is a marriage. Put white pepper with cabbage. It's good. It's really good. I have cracked pepper here, but I'm not even going to bother because I just think white pepper and cabbage has some special unity. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to pour it over. My Greek cabbage salad, Google. You know, I probably don't need all of that. There. Okay, I've poured it over the top. I've got my tongs. I'm just going to, you know, every now and then, like, you just got to leave it now. Do not serve this straight away. What happens is the salt will break down the cabbage and it gets all sort of soft and floppy, but it's really good. It's really good. So we're just gonna, okay, see how it is now? I'm gonna go top up my glass, come back in about 5 minutes, and we're gonna see how that looks. Okay, and we're back. It's about only 10 minutes later, and look at it now. It's gone flat, but look, it's gone super, like noodles almost. Just a beautiful, beautiful salad. So I'm just going to try some. Excuse fingers. It's just so lovely. It's such a lovely salad. Who thought cabbage could be so great? Like, it is. I love cabbage. I like it in this salad even more. I hope you give it a go. If you can, please leave comments below, and please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is just tick a box, okay, below, and you don't have to even watch any video. But I think this week I've got a friend who might be visiting Stavros, and we might do a bit of a Greek cook and dance the end of this week. If you haven't checked out my hula and Hawaiian fish soup, I hope you do. That's my cook and dance thing. But anyway, I'll just keep coming back with stuff like this and this beautiful Greek cabbage salad. So, opa, over and out. Asprokrasi. See ya.